Because your Barracuda T5 lives outdoors 24/7, it's a good idea to take care of it and make sure it's working properly. If you're about to superchlorinate your pool with your chlorinator or add granular chlorine, then remove the unit beforehand and reinstall it at least 4 hours after. If you have a pool blanket on your pool during winter, then reduce the output of your chlorinator and remove the unit from the pool, ensuring that the hoses are stored laid straight. A pool blanket allows more of the heat absorbed by the water to be retained when the outside temperature drops, which can have an effect on water balance and chlorine decomposition. Having excess chlorine levels and chemical imbalances in your pool may cause your Barracuda T5 to discolor and potentially malfunction. So make sure you take care when you use your pool blankets. Never coil the hose and always store it straight. Before backwashing your filter, always disconnect the hose from the weir. If you leave the hose connected to the weir when backwashing, you will restrict the flow of water, which is necessary for an efficient backwash. By following these simple steps, you can prolong the life of your Barracuda T5 Duo, which in return will provide you with a clean pool you can enjoy summer after summer.